Namaste all dear students and viewers. This is continuation from the topic of profit and loss from grade 7 mathematics exercise 7.1. In previous video I have already done up to number 5. You might have watched, and students might have understood up to number 5, and now onwards number 6 I'm letting you learn here. So let's go. Number A I do first. So in the question they said Ananda purchased 120 pencils at the rate of rupees 2 per pencil. Is it? He has purchased 120 pencils at the rate of rupees 2 per pencil, and he sold 72 of them at the rate of rupees 2.5 per pencil. For 72 pencils he has sold at the rate of 2.5, 2 rupees 50 paisa per pencil, he has said, and the remaining pencils at the rate of rupees 2 per pencil. So remaining numbers is 120 different 72. So those remaining pencils he has sold at the rate of rupees 2 per pencil. Through this we are asked to find the profit or loss. What is made? Its percentage. Alright, so let's get started. So first we go to find the total cost what he has made. Alright, so we say here total cost of 120 pencils. So 120 into rupees 2, is it? So we get there rupees 240. So he has paid total of rupees 240 for purchasing these pencils, and he is selling those pencils, first portion of 72 pencils at the rate of rupees 2.50, is it? So let's go for selling price. So first selling price, is it? First selling price of 72 pencils. So it is 72 into rupees 2.50. Okay? And now let's calculate 72 into 2.50. So we can do this as 72 into 2 plus 0.5. Right? So 72 into 2 plus 72 into 0.5. So it will give you 72 into 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 7, 14, and 72 into 0.5. 0.5 is half, so half of 72 is 36. And then get at it, 6, 4, 10, 4, 3, 7, 8, and then 1. So 180. Is it? So 72 into 2.50 is 180. So selling price of first 72 pencils is rupees 180. And now we go for finding selling price of the remaining pencils. So first we find number of remaining pencils. Number of remaining pencils. So that equal to total he had purchased 120, and out of this 72 has been sold. So 120 minus 72. So 120 minus 70, is it? It will be 50. Again to subtract, that will get there 48. So 120 minus 72 is 48. And these 42 remaining pencils have been sold at the rate of rupees 2 per pencil. It is said here, is it? So let's find selling price of remaining 48 pencils. So second selling price. So second selling price of remaining 48 pencils. So that you get there 48 into rupees 2. So 2 8 16, 2 4 8 9. So rupees 96 is the selling price of the remaining pencils. And after finding these two selling price, let's go for finding total selling price. Then total selling price is equal to first selling price, first SP plus second SP. First SP is of the first 72 pencils, and second SP is the selling price of remaining 40 pencils. So we get them together, so total sell price we get. So first selling price is here 180, second selling price is 96. So let's get them added. 180 plus 96, so this will give you 6, 8, 9, 17, so 1 and 2, so 276 rupees is the total selling price. And now let's see whether there is profit or loss by checking which is greater, right? If you see SP is greater, total SP is greater, then you can say there is profit, and if total CP is greater, you can say there is loss. So let's check what is greater over here. So we do have here total cost price 240, is it? And total selling price we do have here 276. So we see here selling price is greater, is it? Total SP is greater than total CP, so therefore there is profit, is it? So there is profit. So we find the profit. Then profit is equal to SP minus CP. So from selling price, total selling price, what we have here 276. From that, what was the total cost price? Let's get that subtracted. So total cost price 240, we get that subtracted, and then we get there 36 rupees as the total profit. And we are asked here to find the percentage of profit or loss. So profit we had a 10, let's find its percentage. Then profit percentage is equal to profit divided by CP into 100 percentage. So once we do profit, we got 36, cost price is there, that is 240, and into 100 percentage. Now let's go for cancelling. So by 10, 110 times, and this 240 for 24 times, and then there is 36 divided by 24 into 10, is it? 24 and 36, is it? So by 4 we can cut, is it? 4 6 24, 4 9 is 36, and again what is remaining there that we can cut by 3, per 9 is 6, is it? So 9 by 6 into 10%, so by 3 we cut. So 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, is it? So 3 by 2 into 10% we get, and this we can cut by 2, 2 into 5, so it results 3 into 5%, that is 15 percentage. So we can suggest, we can decide here there is profit of 15% in this transaction. So therefore profit percentage is 15 percentage. So we are done with the sixth number A, is it? And now we go with sixth number B. Okay, so I make this clear. Instead of making clear, okay, let's do this way. Okay, this only this I copy and keep it down here. Okay, what is here? Let's say Mohan sold 2 horses for rupees 18,000 each, and on one he gained 20%, and on the other he lost 20%, is it? So find his total gain or loss percentage, is it? So in total, how much gain or loss did he make? Percent of that we have to find. And what's said here? He has sold 2 horses for rupees 18,000 each, and on the first horse he gained 20%, and in the second horse he lost 20%. So that we have to find cost price of each horse, and then total sale price and total cost price we will find, and we get them compared, and through that we will find gain or loss, what has happened, and its percent. So let's go with the first horse. So for the first horse, what has happened here? Selling price is given 18,000, and there is gain of 20%, is it? So there is profit of 20%, is it? Profit percent is given, and through that we have to find its cost price. So we suppose cost price is X. Let's CP be X. So here what do you go? Profit equal to 20% of CP, is it? So 20 divided by 100 into CP, there is X. So 20 by 100 is 25 times will cut, so x by 5 we get, is it? And once we do that, now we take form of profit. It is selling price minus cost price. So profit we do have x by 5 found, selling price is 18,000, cp we do have suppose x, is it? And now we make cross multiply. So 5 into 18,000 minus x, so x equal to 5 into 18,000, 5 at 40, is it? And 5 and 5, 5, 4, 9. So it's 90,000 and minus 5 into x, 5x. So x plus 5x we get there 90,000. So this will give you 6x equal to 90,000. And then x we get there 90,000 divided by 6. And now x is equal to, is it? So by 6 we can cut 6 1 to 6, is it? And then there remains 3, 6 3 0 30, 6 5 0 30. So it's 15,000, is it? So value of x is 15,000. It means cost price of the first horse is 15,000. Therefore cost price of first horse is rupees 15,000. And once we get that, now we go for the second horse. So for second horse, so selling price is same 18,000, but there is loss of the same percentage that we are given here, 20% loss, is it? On the other he lost 20%, it is said. So loss percent for second horse is 20%. And now through this we will be finding CP of the second horse. So we suppose here, let's CP of second horse is equal to y, is it? And once we do that, what you get here, loss equal to 20 percentage of CP is 20 by 100 into CP y, so it's y divided by 5, is it? Because by 20 100 can be cut for 5 times, so you get there y divided by 5. So this is the loss. And then we go for loss is equal to CP minus SP. If CP is greater, there will be loss. So to find loss, we do CP minus SP. And now we give the values. Loss we have y by 5. CP is y we have suppose. Sell price is 18,000. Now we make cross multiply. So by 5 we get this y minus 18,000 multiplied, is it? And now it will be here y equal to 5 into y, 5y minus 5 into 18,000. 5 at 40, is it? 5 on 5, so 9, is it 90,000? And now what you do here is 5y is greater or and positive on right side, so this y which is on the left we send to the right side. So 5y minus y we get, and this 90,000 what we have on the right side, let's bring it on the left side, is it? So 90,000 equal to 4y we get, and now we get subtracted. So 90,000 divided by 4 we do, so value of y we obtained. Now let's get divided. So 4 2s are 8, is it? So 1 0 10, is it? 1 0 10, again 4 2s are 8, and now so 2 remain, 2 0 20, so 4 5s are 20, so 0 remaining, so it's 22,500, is it? So here value of y is here 22,500, right? And now this is the cost price of the second horse. So therefore CP of second horse, is it? We are dealing with the horses, is it? So CP of second horse is 22,500. And after finding cost price of both horses, now we can find total cost price, right? So go for finding total cost price. Then total cost price equal to first cost price plus second cost price. So first cost price that we had found 15,000, right? And that of the second horse we have found 22,500. So let's get added 500 same, 22 and 15, 527, 213. So it's 37,500 as a total CP. Therefore, total cost price is equal to 37,500, and we have to find total selling price also to check, is it? So total SP is first SP plus second SP, and both horses were sold for each of 18,000. So first SP 18,000 and same as second SP also same 18,000, and we get them added, so we get there 36,000, is it? And now we will be checking these two, total CP and total SP, to ascertain is there profit or there is loss. All right, so we see here CP 37,500 in total and selling price 36,000 in total. So here SP is lesser than CP, is it? So he is not in profit, he is in loss. All right, so as total CP is greater, is it? As total CP is greater than total SP, so you can see there is loss. There is loss in total. So you can find there's total loss, then total loss equal to total CP minus total SP. So total CP we do have here 37,500. Let's keep that 37,500, and total SP we do have here 36,000, is it? So we get subtracted, we get there 1,500 rupees as the total loss. So total loss we got here 1,500, and after finding the total loss, now we can find its percentage. So let's go for that. Then total loss percentage. So total loss percent equal to total loss divided by total CP into 100% we do. So total loss we do have here 1,500 found, is it? And total CP was there 37,500, and into 100 percentage. So here first we cancel by the 100, is it? 15 times, and they're down 375 times. So you get there 15 divided by 375 into 100, and these 15 and 375, then we can again cancel with 5. So 5 3s are 15, is it? 5 7s are 35, and 5 5s are 25, is it? And once we do that, the 75 and 3 again we can cut by 5, is it? So let's copy down first, and then let's show the cancellation one more time. So by 3 you can cut 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So there is 1 by 25 into 100 percentage, is it? And this 25 and 100 can cut by 25 for 4 times. 25 4s are 100, is it? So this way you get there 4 percentage as total loss. So therefore total loss in the transaction is 4%, or total loss percentage is 4%. So it's clear with the second number. Now I go with the number 6, then so 7. All right. Okay, so now I'm going with number 7. Okay, what's here in number 7? Let's see. Let's go with the first number. On selling a fan for rupees 810, Sam gets 8% gain. Sam gains 8%, is it? So how much should he have paid for it? So this pattern we have already done, is it? Selling price given, gain percentage given. So how much should he have paid for it? Cost price we are asked actually, is it? So this pattern we have already done, though I'll do this one. Let's say, so your selling price we do have rupees 810, is it? And he is in profit of the 8%. So we are asked to find here how much he has paid. So CP we are asked, is it? So we start by supposing CP as X, because profit is calculated on CP, is it? So let's CP equal to rupees X we suppose, is it? And our profit we find So profit equal to 8% of CP, so 8 divided by 100 into CP x we do. By 4 it can cut, 4 2s and 4 4 2s 8, 4 5s. So 2x divided by 25 is here profit. So then we go for solving the value of x by using formula of profit, which is SP minus CP, as we have done before. So profit we got here 2x by 25, SP we do have here 810, CP we do have x, is it? And now this we do this, so let's make here cross multiplication. So 25 into 810 minus x we do, or we can use, so 2x equal to 25 into 810 minus x. So let's make here calculation, and please be very sure we are not using calculator, is it? So manually you have to make calculation here. So 500 515 5840, is it? And then 200 212 2816. So 0 5 2 6 4 10 1 2, is it? So it's there 20,250, right? 20,250 and minus 25x. Now bring this 25 on the left side, right? So 2x plus 25x equal to 20,250 we get, is it? And then we get there added 27x we get equal to 20,250. So it will become x equal to 20,250 divided by 27, is it? And now we have to perform division manually over here by performing long division. So by 27, 20,250, let's get divided, is it? So 20 you can go get divided by 27, so 202 you have to take. So you can consider this is 200, is it? Nearly 200, more than 200 is there, 202. Let's consider as 200, and 27 let's be considered as 30. So by 30, 200 how many times go? Let's think about it in mind. All right, so 3 6 18, is it? 3 6 18. So 6 times it would go for obvious, is it? And now you may go one more time because lesser than 30 is 27. So 3 6 18, 6 times, 7 times. Let's check if 7 times will be valid, let's go for it, otherwise 6 times will do. All right, so I check over here, 27 into 7 times, 7 7 49, and 7 2 14, 14 and 4 18, 189. So it's going 7 times. Let's check, 7 7 49 9, is it? And 7 2s are 14, 14 and 4 18. So it goes for 7 times. So let's go for dividing for 7 times for 202 with 27. So that you got there 189, is it? And now let's get subtracted. So 12 minus 9 is the one we took here carry, is it? So 12 minus 9, so it is 3, is it? And so 1 also carried over, so it was 10, 1 given, so 9 minus 8, 1, is it? And now 5 we bring down, and now think for 135 to divide by 27, is it? So 135 let's think as 130, is it? And then 27 is considered to be 30, is it? So 30 how many times? 3 4s are 12, is it? 3 4s are 12. So obviously 4 times it goes. Let's check with 5 times will it go or not, right? So 5 times I'll check here. So 27 into 5 I do, is it? 5 7 35, and 5 to 15, 15 3 18, 185, is it? Our guess is so wrong, is it? It's not 5 times, it's 4 times, 4 3 12. Okay, 4 times only it goes, 5 times is not invisible here. So I go with 4 times for sure, is it? So let's keep here 4 times. 4 7 28, is it? And 4 2 8 8 9 10, is it? So 10. I'm making mistake, I guess, is it? Okay, let's keep this first, is it? 4 7 28, 4 2 8 8 2 10, so 108, and 108 plus 27, Okay, so let's go for 5 times where I have made mistake. Let's check. 5 7 35, 5 to 10 135. Yeah, it was going for 5 times, right? So 5 times, it's not 4 times, it is 5 times, right? So 5 times 135, so 0 also bring down, so 0 we keep here, so done. So it's 750, right? So here value of x is 750. So the thing is, what cost price of the goods is, or fan is fan, alright? So cost price of the fan is 750. Therefore cost price of the fan is equal to rupees 750. So it's done with number 7a, and very same is number b, is it? He has sold it. A bed sheet was sold for 483. They're be getting 15%. So you're asked to find your CP of the bed sheet, right? So that you can do yourself. Now I go with number 8. Okay, so what's there in 8? Let's see. Okay, so there in number 8, a number, let's see first what is said here. Amir bought an Almira for rupees 1520 and sold it at a profit of 12.5%. 12 whole number 1 by 2 percentage, so it's 12.5%. So find the selling price of the Almira, is it? Okay, let's go for it. So here selling price we are given, is it? Selling price of Almira, this given here rupees 1520, and yet sold it getting 12.5%. So profit percentage is here 12 whole number 1 by 2 percentage, is it? So you can say 12.5 percentage, or you may turn it into the mixed fraction is there. In improper fraction you can turn. Now let's try by converting into improper fraction. 12 to 24 and 125. So 25 by 2% is the profit percentage. Now profit percent is there, is it? And sorry, I made one mistake here. It's not selling price, it's cost price, is it? He had purchased it for 1520 min. Cost price was given, all the selling price. Okay, so as cost price is already given, so we can find profit value directly, is it? Let's go for finding profit. So then profit is equal to here 25 by 2 percentage of 1520, is it? So let's remove it, is it? Percent by making 100 down and into 1520, right? And now let's make cancellation here, is it? So 100, 1520 and 100 you can cut by 10 times, is it? 10 times 152 say, and this is 10, is it? And now after making this so many ways are there to cancel, is it? So I copy that down first. So 25 divided by 2 into 152 by 10, is it? So I go cancel with 2 first. 2 ones are 2, and here 2 sevens are 14, 1 to 12, 2 6 to 12, is it? And now I will go cancelling for 25 and 10. 5 5 is 25 and 5 2 is 10, is it? And now what remains I carry down first. 5 into 76 divided by 2, and this 76 by 2, it means half of 76, so it's what? So by 2 let's cancel. 2 3 is 6, 2 8 is 16, so it's 38, is it? So 5 into 38 we get. And now make let's make multiplication. 5 8 40, is it? 5 to 15, 15 and 4 19, so 190. So we get the profit amount rupees 190. So therefore profit equal to rupees 190. And this after finding profit, now we can easily find selling price, is it? So selling price will be bigger than cost price as there is profit, so that amount we can find by adding profit on the cost price. So SP will become here CP plus profit. So CP, cost price, it was 1520, and on that price we have to add here 190, is it? So 0 9 2 is 11, and 5 and 6 6 and 1 7 1 same. So selling price is 1710. So selling price of Almira, is it? Therefore, selling price of the Almira is rupees 1710. So done, is it? So it's done with 8 number A, and very same as 8 number B, is it? This is zone basic calculator for 720. So cost price of the calculator is given, and sells it at a loss of 6.5%. Is it? Then find, sorry, for how much does he sell it? Is it? So 6.5%, you make open, either convert into decimal and you write 6.5%, or you convert into the improper fraction by doing 6 into 12 plus 1, 13 by 2%. So you go for finding the loss as 13 by 2% of cost by 720, you get some value, and loss, there is loss. So as there is loss, selling price will be lesser than the cost price. So finding selling price lesser than cost price, you have to subtract the loss amount. So you'll say there SB equal to CP minus loss, then you get it, is it? So B number you try yourself. So 8 number is done, and I'll go with number 9. Okay, what's there in number 9? Let's see. Okay, so let's read it first. What is there? 9 number A. So by selling a stool for Rs 240, a carpenter loses 20%. Is it? So there is one condition first. Is it? When he sold one stool for 240 rupees, that carpenter lost 20%. And another scenario is created here. How much percent would he or she gain or loss by selling it for 360 rupees? If you would sell it for 360 rupees, how much you would gain or loss in that second transaction? And for comparing that, you have to first find at what price he has purchased that's true, is it? And only after that you will be able to compare between that cost price and the new selling price 360. Then you will be deciding whether there is loss or profit, and you can you'll be able to find out how much percent of loss and profit is there. So first you have to find what is the cost price of that stool, right? Let's go for that. So I see here first case, right? So in the first case, so there is the selling price of stool is given, SP of the stool, so that is the 240 rupees, and there be loss, so there is loss of 20%. So let's go for finding cost price, and for that you have to suppose your cost price as X. So that's CP equal to rupees X, you say, is it? And after supposing CP as X, you go for finding loss. So loss equal to 20% of CP. So that will be here 20 by 100 into CPX, and it will cut for 5 times, is it? So it will become here X divided by 5. So loss is there X divided by 5. Once you got that, now go for using the formula of loss equal to CP minus SP. So there is loss X by 5, and CP we have suppose X, and SP that's given 240. So go for cross multiplying, is it? So X equal to 5 into X minus 240. So X equal to there 5 into X, 5X minus 5 into 240. 500, 54, 20, 52, 10, 10 and 12, is it? And now so 5X let's keep same, which is on the right side, right, which is bigger, and X bring on the left side, and will get subtracted, and 1200 let's bring it on the left side. So 1200 equal to 4X you get, is it? And through that you will get the X, value of X. So X equal to here 300. So cost price of the stool, we got that, is it? Therefore cost price of the stool, So that we got here rupees 300. And now let's go for the second case. Alright, so in the second condition we say, or in the second case, so cost price we do have already found is rupees 300, and now we are asked to find whether there is profit or loss, and that's percentage if the carpenter will sell that stool for rupees 360. So here selling price is rupees 360, is it? So CP and SP both are given, and now we can compare. Here selling price is being bigger than the cost price, so obviously there is profit, is it? So we go for finding profit. So profit equal to SP minus CP, we say selling price 360 and CP is 300, is it? So the difference is rupees 60. So we got their profit equal to rupees 60, and once we have found the profit amount, we can go for finding percentage of it. So profit percent, we say profit divided by CP into 100 percentage. So profit is 60, cost price is 300 into 100 percentage. So by 100, 300 we can cut for 3 times, is it? So there we get there 60 divided by 3%, so that's 20%. So in this case, when he sells this tool for rupees 360, he will be in the gain of 20% on the cost. So it's done with this 8 number A, is it? Sorry, 9 number A, and B number is very similar. Alright, so I will let you understand. A television is sold for 3120 at loss of 4%. So yeah, one has sold television set for 3120 at loss of 4%. So this is what you can find is selling. We can find its cost price, is it? Selling price is given, loss percent given. So CP will be supposing X. So you do necessary thing as we did in number A, and you can find the value of CP, is it? And once we find price of the cost, like, or cost price you find, after that you will go for the second condition, and in the second condition there is a scenario created. If the television set was sold for 3445 rupees, so how much you will be in profit or loss we have to find. So CP and SP you compare, which is greater, is it? If CP is greater, there will be gain loss. If selling price will be greater, then there will be profit. So you go for checking it, is it? And then find its percentage by using if there is profit, you go for finding profit percent by using profit by CP into 100%, and if there is loss, you go for finding loss percent by using loss by CP into 100%. So it's done with 9 number. Now I go with 9 number with 10 numbers. Okay, so what's here in number 10 is say, okay, so in number 10, A number, let's see first. On selling a bat for rupees 371, a man gains 6%, is it? So that's the first condition where one person is selling a bat for 371 and gaining 6%. And now second case is created here. For how much should he sell it to gain 8% instead of gaining 6%, and what price should he sell it for gaining 8% is asked. So for identifying that, first you have to find what is the cost price of that bat, is it? So let's go for the first condition. First condition, is it? So they're given selling price of the bat. Selling price of the bat is equal to rupees 371 is said, is it? And there's gain of 6%. Now we have to find your cost price, so for that we'll be supposing CP equal to X, is it? And once we suppose CP as X, go for finding gain, that is 6% of CP, is it? So 6%, 6 divided by 100 and into CPX. So by 3 it cuts, 3 to the 6, 350, sorry, by 2 it cuts, I made wrong. By 2 it cuts, is it? 2 3 is 6, 250 is 100, is it? So that we get there 3x by 50 as gain, is it? And once we find gain, now we go for solving value of x by using form of gain. So gain is SP minus CP, and the gain we got 3x divided by 50. selling price 371, we have CP, we have suppose X, so 3X equal to, now we go for cross multiplying 50 into 371 minus X, so or I say 3X equal to 50 into 371, 0 same, 5 ones are 5, 5 7 35, 5 3 15, 15 3 18, is it? So 18,550 and minus 50 into X, same 50X, is it? And at 50X, let's bring on the left side for adding 3X plus 50X, we say equal to 18,550, is it? And through that we get there 53X equal to 18,550, and that will give you X equal to 18,550 divided by 53, is it? And now once after we do that, now we'll be doing their long division to check what is the value of X. So by 53 we have to divide here 18,550, is it? So 53, let's consider as 50, 185, 18 will not go, 185 we have to take, 185, 53 times it will obviously go, so I go with 3 times, is it? So 3 3s are 9, is it? And 3 5s are 15. And now let's get subtracted from 5, 9 you can subtract, so 1 you have to take care over, it will become 15, 15 minus 9, that is 6, and 8 remain now 7, 7 minus 5 is 2, is it? And now bring this 5 down, next one, is it? So 265 we consider as 250, alright? So 53 considers 50, so 50 5 times is 250, so obviously it will go for 5 times, alright? So let's go for 5 times. 5 3 is 15, and then 5 5 is 25, and 1 26, so it's intact, right? So 0 you bring down, so 0 here also, here 0 also, so done, is it? So here value of X we got 350. So the thing is, what cost price of the bat is 350, therefore cost price of the bat is rupees 350. So cost price of the bat we got, is it? And now go for the second condition, is it, or second case or second scenario, is it? And in the second case they said, what, for how much should he sell it to gain 8%, is it? So cost price we have got, cost price of the bat is rupees 350 we got, and now he is wishing to sell it at a gain of the 8%, is it? So to gain 8%, is it, at what price should he sell it? It is asked here, is it? So we are asked to find a selling price of the bat if he wishes to gain at 8%, right? So SP of the bat equal to what? So here we have already found the cost price, so we can find a gain value, right? So here go for finding gain. So gain equal to 8% of CP, we say. So 8%, 8 divided by 100 into CP 350. Let's go for making cancellation. So these are divisible by 5 or 50 or 10, whatever you can say, is it? So I go with the 10 first, okay? So 10 35, 10 tens, is it? And 8 35 and 10, they are divisible still by 5, is it? So I won't do directly, I will do down, is it, so that mistake won't take place, all right? So 5 2s are 10, is it? 5 7s are 35. So after that again I copy down, all right? 8 by 2, is it? 8 by 2 into 7 is there, is it? So by 2, 8 gets cut for 4 times, so there is now 4 by 4 into 7, so that is 28. So there is gain of 28 rupees, is it? So there is gain of rupees 28. And once after we find gain, now we can find selling price of the bat. So you be able to think about, if there is gain, there will be obviously selling price will be greater than the cost price, so that we can find by adding gain on the CP. So SP will be here CP plus gain. So cost price, this we have found there 350 rupees, all right? And over there is gain of 28 rupees, so let's get added 8 5 2 7 and 3, so 378 rupees is the SP of the bat. So done, is it? So selling price of the bat is found for this number of A of 10. Alright, and after 10 number is done, B number is very similar. I will explain. You can do yourself. So let's get explained what is there. Right. So by selling a camera for 2400, Ron losses 4%. And at what price? That is the first scenario where there is created. Right. So one is selling camera for 2400, and he's getting loss of 4%. So you can find obviously is CP by supposing X first and doing necessary things as we done number A, is it? And just after we find cost price of the camera, you can go for finding the selling price to gain 12%. So you find gain of 12% of CP, you will find it, and that gain get added on the cost price to get the selling price. So 10 number we done like this way. All right, and I go with the number 11. Okay, so what's there in 11? Let's see. Okay, what say do you see? A television set was bought for 3900, is it? And 200 was spent on transportation, and rupees 900 on repair. So the thing is what uh, other expenditures which were obtained there while doing transportation and making repair, those all costs will be added on the original cost to find the total cost of some goods. So here's purchase, seller, you can say seller has purchased one television set for purchasing purpose. All right, and he originally purchased it for 3900, and he spent 200 rupees on the transportation, and after that he made it repairing by paying 900. So these all three costs will be added, and new cost or total cost will be obtained for the seller or shopkeeper of the television set, is it? So we can say here total selling price, sorry, total cost price of the TV set, right? Total cost price of the TV set. So the first is original purchase price, original cost price, and plus his spend for transportation, transportation cost, and plus his spend repair cost, is it? So these three costs we get added to find the total cost price of the TV set. So 3900 was the original cost price when he purchased it, and he spent 200 for transporting that TV set onto his office or something, or selling shop, is it? And repair cost is there 900 rupees. So let's get added, is it? So 900, okay, so 9 to 11, so 4100 will become, and plus 900, and then get added 5000. So their cost price is 5000. So total cost price, therefore total cost price of the TV set is rupees 5000. And the thing is what over here, it was sold at loss of 10%. He sold it at loss of the 10%. So let's go for finding loss, is it? So there is loss percentage given 10% is. Okay, so let's go for finding loss of 10%. So loss equal to 10% of the cost price. So this will become here 10%, 10 by 100 into cost price 5000. So you'll get here 500 rupees, is it? So there is loss of 500. So cost is 5000 and he sold it at loss of 500. So selling price, then selling price will be obviously become lesser than the cost price as he sold it in loss. All right, so selling price is CP minus loss. So CP 5000 rupees and loss is 500. So we get subtracted, we get there 4500. So selling price of the TV set was 4500 rupees. Therefore selling price of the TV set was rupees 4500. So done, is it? So it was of number A, is it? And I go with number B, is it? And let's read first. Right, what is here in number B? Samir buys 40 kg of wheat at rupees 6.25. Right. So first 40 kg of wheat he purchased at rupees 6.25 per kg, and again he purchased next 30 kg of wheat at rupees 7 per kg. So he has purchased first 4 kg at the rate of 6.25 and second 30 kg of wheat at rupees 7 per kg, is it? And now at what rate should he sell the mixture? So he mixes those two wheats, which are 40 kg and 30 kg, is it? And then that mixed wheat he will be selling at gain of 5% as a whole, is it? So what rate should he apply per kg, is it? We have to find that. So first we have to find how much cost was paid for first 40 kg and second 30 kg, and those two costs we add together to obtain the total cost of 70 kg, and then we'll be finding cost per kg by dividing by that 70 kg, because 70 is total over there, is it? And after finding cost per kg of the wheat, then we'll be easily finding what will be the 5% profit, is it, per kg, is it? And then by adding that profit on the cost price, we can find what will be the selling price per kg of that whole mixture. Let's go for it. So okay, I copy this down. Okay, sorry for the service. Their dogs are barking as it's night. Okay, so what's the idea? Samir buys 40 kg with at rupees 6.25 per kg. So first we find cost price of first 40 kg of wheat. So that will become here rupees 40 into rupees 6.25. Is it? Okay, so let's multiply it. So you are not allowed to use calculator. So let's break it in a smart way. So 40 into 6 plus 40 into 0.25, we can say 46 to 40, and 40 into 0.25 is 1 by 4, is it? 25 by 100 you do, so you simplify 1 by 4 you get. So 240 plus 10, so you get there 250 rupees, is it? So cost price of 40 first 40 kg is 240, is it? 250. So cost price of first 40 kg of wheat, so that is equal to 250 rupees, is it? Now let's go for finding cost price of next 30 kg, is it, or second. So cost price of second 30 kg of wheat is equal to, so it's purchased at rupees 7 per kg, so 30 into rupees 7, so 210 rupees we get. So CP of second 30 kg, therefore CP of second 30 kg of wheat, so that we got there rupees 210. Now let's get them added together. Then total cost price of 40 kg plus 30 kg, is it, of wheat, so that is sum of rupees 250 and rupees 210, so that we get there rupees 460, and it's becoming total cost price of 70 kg in total, is it? 70 kg of wheat, so that equal to there 460, is it? And through that we can find now cost price of 1 kg of wheat, or it's a mixture, is it, of mixture of wheat, you can say. mixture of wheat. So that is rupees 460 divided by 70. Is it? So how much you're going to get there? So 0 we get caught. So 46 divided by 7. Is it? So I do here this empty place, use of empty place to calculate this. So it's 7. 7 6 is 42. Is it? 6 2 4. So 1 go. So 0 we have to keep. 7 5 is 35. So 5 we get. Is it? 0 you can keep. 7 7 is 49. Is it? So 7 ones are okay. I don't need. I will just confine here up to 2 decimal place. Okay. So I say here it's rupees 6.57 rupees. Is it? So cost per kg you can say. Is it? Therefore cost per kg of mixed wheat equal to rupees 6.57. This is the cost per kg of the mixed wheat. And now we are asked to find the selling price of this mixture if we have to gain 5% in the whole. Is it? So then to gain 5% on the mixture, so rate we have to find. So first we'll be finding what is the profit rate. Is it? So profit per kg we find. So profit per kg equal to 5% of cost price. So 5%, 5 divided by 100 into cost price is 6.57. Is it? And now I will multiply first. Right? So 5 7 35, 5 5 25, 3 28. Is it? And 5 6 30, 30 into 32. Is it? Divided by 100 is there, and after decimal there is 2 digits, so 32.85 we say. And when we divide by 100, is it? So what you have to do here, decimal we have to shift from right to left for 2 place. So if we shift 2 plus 1 plus this, 1 plus this, so here we have to keep decimal, so it will become here 0.3285 rupees as a profit per kg. So here profit per kg, is it? So profit per kg is rupees 0.3285, and once we find the profit per kg, now we can find selling price per kg. Then selling price per kg equal to CP per kg, cost price per kg plus profit per kg. Profit per kg. So cost price per kg, that is there 6.57 rupees. Rupees 6.57, is it? And profit per kg is rupees 0.3285, is it? So let's get added over here in empty space as doing rough. 6.57 and then 0.3285. So 5 7 8 7 7 2 9 5 3 8 6 0 6. So we get there rupees 6.8985. So let's round up it in 2 decimal place. So 5 added with 8 9, 9 added with 9 10. So you can say yes, 6.92 rupees. Is it? So therefore selling price per kg. Therefore selling price per kg is equal to rupees 6.90. Is it? So it's done with number 11, A and B. Now I go with number 12. Okay, let's go for number 12. Okay, what's here in number 12? Let's see. A dealer sold the camera for 1080, gaining 1/8 of the cost price. Now the gain is not given in profit, but it's given in the fraction of the cost price, or portion of the cost price, is it? So it's easy. So find the cost price of the camera and find gain percent earned by the dealer. So let's go with first. So here a dealer sold the camera for 1080. Selling price of the camera is given, is it? Selling price of the camera is given here, rupees 1080, is it? And there is gain of the 1 by 8 of CP, is it? So gain is given as 1 by 8 portion of CP. So CP is not given here. We suppose it X, right? So let's CP be rupees X. So gain equal to over here 1 by 8 of CPX. So X by 8 is amount of gain, is it? And say the percentage, there is given fraction as a profit, right? So then gain equal to SP minus CP. So again here we got here X by 8. SP we are given here 1080. CP we have suppose X. So turn for making cross multiplication. So X equal to 8 into 1080 minus X we do, is it? So 8008864. So 6818 and minus 8x, is it? And once we do that, this 8x bring on the left side. So x plus 8x equal to 8640 we do. So we get added 9x, we get 8640. So x equal to here 8640 divided by 9. So let's do it in rough over here. So by 9, 8640, let's get divided, is it? So 9 9s are 81 we get. So 5 min 9 6 are 54. So 0 0. So here also 0, right? So done. So it's 960, right? So value of x is over here 960. So the thing is what? Cost price of the camera is 960. Therefore cost price of the camera is 960. And once after we find the cost price, so first case is done. Now second case, in the second number they said find the gain percent is owned by the dealer. So gain percent we have to find. So here obviously SP is greater than CP, is it? Selling price is 1080, CP 960, SP greater, so there is profit, is it? So we first find profit. So profit we say SP minus CP, selling price 1080 and minus cost price 960, is it? So you get subtracted 0, 8 minus 6 is 2, 10 minus 9 is 1. So 120 rupees profit has been there. Then we go for finding its percentage. So profit percent equal to profit divided by CP into 100% as we say. So profit we have found 120, CP we are given, CP we have found here 960 and into 100%. So by 10 we got first. So 10 12 120, 10 96 and 960 and into 100% same. And 12, if you know about the table of 12 how many times? 12 8s, is it? 12 8s 96, 8 to 2 8 to 16 8189, is it? So there is 100 divided by 8%. So how much we get there? So again we can cut by 4, is it? So 4 2s 8 and 4 25 is 100. So you get there 25 divided by 2% and it is 12.5%. So therefore gain percent is 12.5%. So let's start with tool number A. And I go to tool number B. Okay, so what's here in tool number B? Let's see. Okay, so here said Medina sells a pen for 54 and loses 1/4 of her outlay. Is it? So very same condition is there. I'll just let you understand. You can try yourself. Alright. So Medina, she's selling a pen for 54 rupees and she's losing 1/10 of her outlay. Alright. So find the cost price of the pen and find loss percentage. So here outlay is the not the cost price. Outlay is the selling price, right? So here profit or loss what is given it's given in terms of the selling price, right? So I'll show you by doing, right? So here selling price, SP of the pen, is it? SP of the pen is given there rupees 54, is it? And they said loss, so loss equal to 1 by 10 of outlay, and the word outlay, it signifies it goes for the selling price, is it? So 1 by 10 of selling price, and selling price we are already given 54 rupees, is it? So 10 by 54, that is 5.4 rupees. So there is loss of rupees 5.4, or you may say 5.40, right? And after finding loss, is it, and now you need to identify your cost price to find the loss percentage, because loss percent we find as loss divided by cost price at 20%. So CP must be there. So let's go for finding CP by using formula of loss. Then loss equal to CP minus SP we say. So loss is rupees 5.40. CP you need to find. Selling price 54 we are already given. So 5.40 on that. Bring this 54 to add. Alright. So 54 and 5 we add 59 and 0.40 same. So here CP, therefore CP of the pen, CP of the pen is equal to rupees 59.40. and once we find the CP of the pen, then we can go for finding loss percentage. Is it there loss, and we are asked to find the loss percent, is it? So loss percent we find by using loss divided by CP into 100%. So loss is there 5.40 rupees and CP is there 54 rupees and into 100%, is it? So 5.4 and 54, they are divided for 10 times by 5.4. 54 you can divide for 10 times, and 100 by 10 is 10. So therefore there is loss percentage of 10%, right? So it's of the 12 number B, right? So 12 number also done. Now I go with number 13, right? Okay, what's here in 10 number? Let's see. Let's read the first number. The selling price of 12 eggs is equal to the cost price of 15 eggs. So find the gain percentage. Here cost is not involved, just numbers are compared, right? So for how much 12 eggs he has sold it, or vendor or shopkeeper has sold it, that much with that much price he has purchased 15 eggs, right? So obviously he is in profit, is it? By number, if you think, he is in profit, right? Because he purchased 15 eggs for some price, right? And at the same price just he is selling 12 eggs, so obviously he has saved 3 eggs, right? But we are not going with the number, we are going with the cost price by taking as or supposing, right? So let's go for that. So cost price of 1 egg will be supposing x, right? Okay, let's start with this way. Okay, before supposing, here let's write what is given, is it? So here we are given selling price of 12 eggs, right? Selling price of 12 eggs we are given here equal with the cost price of 15 eggs, is it? So it's given first, and now we are supposing CP of the 1 egg as rupees x, is it? Let CP of 1 egg, is it? CP of 1 egg equal to rupees x, is it? And after supposing that, we will see how much will be CP of 15x. So it is 15x. CP of 15x equal to rupees 15x. And thing is what over here? CP SP of 12x is equal with the CP of 15x. Here SP of 12x that we are given equal with CP of 15x. So it means what? Therefore SP of 12x, right, that will be same as CP of 15x, which is 15x, right? And thus after finding SP of 12x, now you can find SP of each egg. SP of 1 egg is equal to 15x divided by 12 will become. So it's what we can cancel it. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. So therefore SP of 1 egg equal to rupees 5x by 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. Okay, so 5x by 4 is it. And when we compare prices, cost price and selling price of one egg, let's see what is here. Cost price of one egg is rupees x, I mean 1x, and selling price of one egg is 5 by 4x. 5 by 4 is greater than 1. So here when we compare for one egg, right, here SP is greater than the cost price. For one egg, we say for one egg SP is greater than CP. So obviously what, there is a profit, is it? So we go for finding profit. So profit equal to SP minus CP. So selling price is here 5x by 4 and cost price is x, is it? So here 4 is taken LCM, 5x minus 4x, so that is x divided by 4, is it? Or you may go with another way. So 5x by 4, there's denominator 4, so let's make your denominator also 4 by making 4 by 4 in x, is it? So 4x by 4, and we see here 4 denominator same, so 5x minus 4x, or directly you can do that, right? Okay, so profit we have found, and now we can find profit percentage. So profit we found x by 4, then profit percentage we can find. So profit percentage equal to profit divided by CP into 100%. So profit is the x divided by 4, and the CP is there x is for one egg, right? And from one egg when we compare, then for is the same by 100%. So x by 4 is same, and this x by 1 we consider, and we get reverted and into 100% is there. So x and x you can cancel, is it? So there we get here 100 divided by 4%, so it becomes here 25%. So therefore profit percentage is equal to 25%, is it? So for this case, is it, when selling price and cost price of some number of things are here x compared, we can find gain percent this way, right? And B number also very same, is it? The cost price of 10 bananas is equal to the selling price of 12 bananas, it said. So find the loss percentage. So you do what here, you say first cost price of 10 bananas is equal to the selling price of 12 bananas, and you suppose your cost price of one banana equal to x, so you get their cost price of 10 bananas as 10x, and that you can say selling price of 12 bananas also same, that's 10x. So you can find now selling price of one banana, and you can compare between selling price and cost price for one banana, and then you can decide whether there is profit or loss, and then you can find its percentage. So up to 30 number I made it clear, is it? Video is getting longer, so up to here I have led you understood, is it? And I guess you have watched from beginning and get the benefit of through this video to get this thing learned. Thank you for watching, everyone.